Got this wee 1516 signal here. Still in the hole there somewhere. We'll have a look and see if we can find it. Let's get the pinpoint there. That's that. That's not it. See it sounding. Right, so. Nope. Oh my God, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to get a bit closer. That's a snake buckle. I don't believe it. Oh my. It's another snake buckle. I've had 2 of these from this place and 1 from another place. Oh, look at that. Wow. I can't wait to clean that up and see how it comes out. I absolutely love snake buckles. When I found my first one, I thought that was it. I'd never find another one. They don't come up very often. And then I did find another one, and I can't believe it. I found a 3rd one. Ha ha ha! Yay! I'm absolutely stoked. Yay.